Welcome back. Let's do question 1b. The box and whisker plot below represents the times in seconds taken by a group of 60 students to run 200 meters. Right? How many students ran between 27 and 31 seconds? So 27 is here. It means that's the lower quartile. And then 31 seconds is here. That's the median. Okay, so how many percent is represented by this part, which is between the lower quartile and the median? Remember, the box and whisker divides the data set into 4 equal parts, meaning that between the minimum and the lower quartile, there is 25%. And then between the lower quartile and the median, there is 25%. And then between the median and the upper quartile, there is 25%. And then between the upper quartile and the maximum, there is 25%. That's what the box and whisker does, right? And then just know that also the interquartile range represents what? It represents 50%. Okay, so now we're asked, how many students ran between 27 seconds and 31 seconds? That is between the lower quartile and the median. It's 25%. 25% of what? Of the total number of students. So we can say B1 here is 25 out of 100, which is 1/4 of 60. So it means 15 students. That is 15 students. Right, question B2, using lower quartile minus 1,5 times interquartile range, determine whether 24 seconds will be an outlier or not. So these are called the fences, right? The lower fence, this is the lower fence, and then the upper fence will be the Q3, then plus 1,5 times the interquartile range is called the upper fence. So now, if a value is below the lower fence, then it's an outlier. Or if the value is above the upper fence, then it's an outlier. So let's check if 24 is an outlier. So we're going to use our lower quartile minus 1,5 times interquartile range. Our lower quartile is what? Is 27. So we're going to say 27 and then minus 1,5 times 6, because the interquartile range is upper quartile minus lower quartile, which is 33 minus 27, right? 1,5 times 6, that should be what? It should give us what? Or let's just put it in the calculator once, and then say 27 minus this product here, you must get 18. It's giving us 18. Okay, meaning that, oh yes, 1,5 times 6 should be 9. So 27 minus 9 is 18. And then 18 is just here. Okay, there are somewhere there. So it means 24 is greater than the lower fence. So it means 24 is not an outlier. It was going to be an outlier if it was lower than this lower fence there. Or it can be an outlier if it is above the upper fence. So 24 is greater than the lower fence. So it is not an outlier. So we can say 24 is not an outlier. Right, and then question 3, the time for the fastest student was recorded incorrectly. It was 25 seconds. Will this affect the median? What do you think? This will not affect the median because the median is the middle number. Let's say we have your marks. Let's say we have your marks 67, and then maybe 73, then 80, then 90, and then 95, like that. So 80 is the median, isn't it? So if the minimum value is changed from 67 maybe to 68, it does not affect this value. The median is not affected. The measure of central tendency that can be affected by this can be only the mean or the mode maybe, but here the median is not affected. So you can say the median not affected.